T-O. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Everyday Eats. Are you tired of that midday scramble, wondering what to eat for lunch, and then settling for something unhealthy or super expensive? Yeah, me too. That's why today, I'm going to show you my absolute lifesaver, a delicious, protein-packed chicken bowl meal prep that will completely change your weekday lunch game. It's colorful, it's flavorful, and it'll keep you full and energized all afternoon. Best of all, you can make a whole week's worth of lunches in under an hour. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to stressful lunchtimes and hello to easy, healthy meals, let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk about our star player, the chicken. I'm using about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I like to cut them into bite-sized cubes, about 1 inch each. This helps them cook faster and more evenly, and it makes them perfect for a bowl. Now for the marinade. This is where the magic happens. In a large bowl, we're going to combine a 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 large lemon, 2 minced garlic cloves, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk that all together until it's nicely combined. It should smell amazing already. Now, add your chicken cubes to the marinade and give it a really good toss. Make sure every single piece is coated in that deliciousness. You can let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. But if you have the time, an hour, or even overnight, in the fridge will make it even more flavorful. While the chicken is marinating, let's prep our base and veggies. The foundation of our bowl is quinoa. It's a complete protein, and it's super fluffy and satisfying. I'm cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to the package directions. A little tip. I like to use chicken or vegetable broth instead of water for extra flavor. Just bring it to a boil, add the quinoa, reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Then, just fluff it with a fork. For our veggies, we want a rainbow of colors and nutrients. Chopping up 1 red bell pepper, 1 English cucumber, a handful of cherry tomatoes which I'll just slice in half, and a red onion which I'll dice finely. This combination gives you a fantastic crunch, a little sweetness, and a whole lot of vitamins. You can totally customize this part. Think about adding corn, black beans, or even some chopped carrots. Alright, our chicken is marinated and ready to go. I'm going to cook it on a skillet over medium-high heat. You can also use an air fryer or grill it. Add a little oil to the pan and let it get hot. Then, add the chicken in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan. You might need to do this in 2 batches. We want to get a nice golden brown sear on the outside. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, flipping the pieces occasionally until they're cooked through and juicy. Look at that beautiful color. Once it's cooked, just remove it from the heat and set it aside. The smell in my kitchen right now is just incredible. Now for the final touch, a creamy and refreshing sauce to tie everything together. This sauce is so simple but so good. In a small bowl, we're going to mix a 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, the juice of 1/2 lemon, a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill, or you can use dried dill, and a little salt and pepper. Just stir that all up until it's smooth and creamy. This yogurt sauce adds a cool, tangy element that perfectly balances the savory chicken and the fresh veggies. It also gives us another little boost of protein, which is always a win. It's assembly time. Grab your meal prep containers. I'm using these glass containers with dividers, but any airtight container will work. Start by dividing the cooked quinoa evenly among your containers. Then add a generous portion of our colorful chopped veggies to one side. Next, top it with that beautifully seared, juicy chicken. And finally, I like to put the Greek yogurt sauce in a small separate container to keep everything fresh and prevent the veggies from getting soggy. You can also add some feta cheese or olives for a more Mediterranean vibe. And there you have it. 5 delicious, healthy, and protein-packed meals, ready to go for the entire week. Just look at how amazing these look. All you have to do in the morning is grab one from the fridge and you're set. No more stress, no more bad choices. When you're ready to eat, just pour the sauce over everything, give it a good mix, and enjoy. This meal keeps me going through my busiest days. It's so satisfying and so much better than anything you could buy. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and see how easy meal prepping can be. Let me know in the comments what your go-to meal prep recipes are. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. See you in the next one.